In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero, how to set up leave loading, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have leave loading configured, assigned to the right employees, and flowing automatically into your pay runs. Leave loading is an additional percentage paid when an employee takes annual leave. It's common in Australia, but always confirm the correct rate in the employee's award or contract and make sure you have the necessary payroll permissions in Xero. Start by signing into Xero. Once you're on the dashboard, head to payroll. From there, open payroll settings to adjust how leave behaves in your organization. In payroll settings, select pay items, then switch to the leave tab. Choose annual leave. This is where we set the default loading rate that Xero will use whenever eligible employees take annual leave. Enter the applicable percentage in the leave loading rate field. If your agreement specifies a percentage, enter it as a number. For example, 17.5 for 17.5%. This rate is only applied when leave is taken, not when it's accrued. Double check the figure against your employment agreements so your pay runs stay compliant. When you're happy, save your changes. Next, return to payroll and open employees. Select the employee who should receive leave loading. In their profile, go to the taxes section. Tick the box that marks the employee as eligible for leave loading, then save. This tells Xero to apply the organization's default loading rate when this person takes annual leave. While you're still in taxes, review whether superannuation should apply to the loading. If it does, select Apply SGC on leave loading. This depends on your circumstances and the latest guidance, so refer to the ATO and your awarder agreement. If you're unsure, it's a good idea to check with your advisor before you proceed. From here, keep managing leave as usual. When an employee takes annual leave, create and approve the leave request the same way you normally do. Then, when you process the pay run that includes those approved leave hours, Xero will automatically generate an earnings line for the annual leave and a separate line for the corresponding loading. Before you post the pay run, review the pay slip to confirm the hours, the loading percentage, tax, and super calculations look correct. That's it. You've set your default leave loading rate, marked eligible employees, and ensured the amount is calculated automatically in pay runs. If you ever need to adjust the percentage, revisit annual leave and pay items and update the rate, then save. Thanks for watching and happy payroll processing.